चला करूया सराव शिष्यवृत्तीचा. असोसिएटिंग द नेम ऑफ अ लेटर विथ इट्स साऊंड. Question 1. Choose the different pronunciation of vowel A from the given. Hall, name, ball, call. Correct answer is name. Choose the word that come alphabetically second. Tuesday, Friday, Sunday, Monday. Answer is Monday. Find the hidden letter in the given picture. H, K, T, Q. Answer is H. Which of the following word has different sound in beginning? Take, top, the, ten. The. Choose the missing letters from the given alternatives. P, Q, S, U, V, Y, Z. W, X, T, R, R, T, W, X, T, R, X, W, X, W, R, T. R, T, W, X. Which of the given word begins with a capital letter? Mango, Mohan, man, monkey. Answer is Mohan. Which of the given words should be begin with a capital letter? Ratnagiri, mango, parrot, zebra. Answer is Ratnagiri. Find the English letters hidden in the given picture. Y, T, C, M. Answer is C. Which of the given words does not have letter Y? U, buy, dairy, jar. Answer is jar. Which of the words comes in the third in alphabetical order? Gold, cold, hold, bold. Answer is gold. व्हिडिओ पाहण्यासाठी धन्यवाद. चॅनलला लाईक करा, शेअर करा, सबस्क्राईब करा, बेल आयकॉनला प्रेस करा.